Someone sent me this project telling, can you restore this project based on your knowledge? In this project there was an issue. It was missing all image files. For most of us, these kind of errors are not common. Okay, so solution may be unknown to most of us, but I faced same error in my own project, probably caused by opening same project in two sketchwares. One is original and one is mod at same time. When you make changes in somewhere once and other one maybe did not figure it out changes and deleted the drawable folder. In short, this is error when you miss out the drawable files. So luckily in my case, I had all these files in another backup of the project. So I just dropped them in the drawable folder. But in this case, this project is unknown to me. I don't know what files were there, and even if I knew, it will be hard for me to rename all of them and drop in drawable folder. So I have went to images manager and there one by one deleted a file at once and added one with same name, which will eventually replace previous one. It is a really time-taking job and I am running busy these days. But I thought this is a Facebook clone, so it's worth taking time. Well, after 2 days, I have restored this project successfully. I still had some errors because this project is made in previous version of sketchware, which was based on support version, and everyone knows latest version is based on Android X. So this code is old. I had to replace small chunk of code with a new one. I have eliminated compilation errors, but still it does contains runtime errors. One of them most critical for the functionality I have eliminated, but there is a lot of probability it still have more runtime errors. So contributions are welcomed. You can get this project from Jokyo Sketch Projects. Fix the errors. Send me the fixed version on my WhatsApp or Telegram. So I will review it and maybe I will update it on my app. There are only 2 rules. First, keep the UI similar. Don't change the UI and just improve this project and fix the errors and bugs.